Since the inception of our ecosystem of apps and platforms, our intention has been to create a unifying fintech platform that can deconstruct complex trading concepts into simple tools that disappear into the experience. Introducing SageMaster, a platform designed and engineered to minimize losses and maximize profits. Built for beginners, professional traders, and developers, Sage unifies major cryptocurrency exchanges into one intuitive solution. Trade via the Sharp terminal with its intelligent trading features, such as set up multiple take profits with smart risk management at lightning speed, saving you time and effort. Sage ensures all your deals are monitored 24/7 and executed based on your parameters. Introducing Sage Assist, an intelligent AI and machine learning-driven service that allows you to set up simple or advanced strategies that will operate on their own once you have set them up. The following strategies are available on Sage: HODL, Simple, DCA, Grid Assist, and Custom Strategies. What is a HODL strategy? If you are someone who has no time for trading or keeping up with the crypto market, you can still reap the benefits. For example, I want to buy BTC for 20 USDT every 7 days for 6 months. Sage Assist will now place a buy order of 20 USDT at 7 days intervals for the next 6 months. Such an approach allows me to accumulate BTC gradually to increase my portfolio value. What is a simple assist? If you want to follow other professional traders, you can subscribe to them directly via Sage Marketplace of providers. Connect your simple assist, set your favorite providers, and that's it. What is a dollar cost averaging, DCA? If you are a crypto enthusiast or a professional trader and expect to see daily results while minimizing risk, dollar cost averaging is a suitable strategy for you. It is a trading approach where a trader buys or sells orders of equal amounts at regular intervals over time. By buying and selling at regular price intervals, users reduce the impact of the market volatility and avoid entering a lump sum at the wrong time. Users can accumulate or decumulate at a better average price position in the long run. Thankfully, you do not need to spend countless hours and days monitoring your DCA trade. With Sage Assist, you can create a DCA combined with its innovative features, and the rest is taken care of by Sage Assist. Skip years of learning and use DCA templates from the marketplace that other professional traders have backtested. SageMaster is not limited to just these strategies. Thanks to our open API, you can connect other platforms, such as TradingView. Any trade ideas found by your trading strategy or technical indicators on TradingView, alerts will be sent directly to your Sage Assist to create an assist, start or close a trade deal. The sky is the limit. Sage Assist is equipped with an intuitive dashboard and analytics. It displays your profit risk summary and illustrates how your funds are distributed across different trading strategies. If you would like to test out any of the strategies, you may use the paper trading feature without any financial risk. Sage Assist reinforces proper risk management by removing human emotional components during market volatility, eliminating fear and grid while minimizing losses and maximizing profits. As SageMaster becomes the world's largest platform for AI trading, it will redefine what's possible. Join today and reap what SageMaster sows.